Hello guys, this is Noel Joshua Neri from HCC Level 4, and today I'm going to showcase to you my app prototype, which is called POPamatic. So this app basically helps you manage your attendances. You can also make and scan some QR codes as a way to fill up the attendance form. So when it comes to managing your attendances and making QR codes and making meetings, this is the app for you. So when you first launch this app, you are greeted with three splash screens. This is the first one. It says here, manage your students or events attendances, followed by the description. Then the next one, collaborate with your team along with its description. Then lastly, easy to understand results and UI. So without further ado, let's get started with the app. So after the splash screen, you are greeted with the login page. You are greeted with enter your email or username and password. And if you are new, you can sign up in the app. You can also log in and sign up with your Facebook, same as with Google. But let us log in with our email and username and password. So after our animation is done, you are greeted with the home page. The home page is the very first page that you'll be greeted once you logged in. And in this navigation bar, there are four more buttons that you can press on. But first, let's go to the home screen. The home screen tells you anything that you've done within the app. It tells you all the details of the meetings. So, say for example, meeting one, mental health seminar, you can see the total registered tagged and you can see the meeting details. You can also see the stats for the people who are registered overall and who are not. Let's go first to this search page. The search page is basically just searching the recent. You can also see the recently viewed searches and you can have easy access to your searching. Then let's go to the results. The results is the results will show all the scans and all of its details. Let's go to it later. Then the profile, as you can see, you can select the settings, you can check your billing, you can check the terms and conditions of the app. You can also report for any bugs, and you can ask help from the community. You can also log out, but we'll go to that later. Finally, in the last button, we have the plus icon. So in the plus icon, you can scan a QR code, you can create the meeting, and you can create a QR code. So whenever you hover these three of the buttons, it will show you all the details on the top screen over here. So let's go first with the scan QR code. When you click the QR code, you are greeted, you should have access to your camera so that you can scan the QR code just like this. Once you're done, capture and it will scan the QR code. Then as you can see, after the scanning is done, it will put all the names and it will mention if it's registered or not. You can also apply to different meetings and different instances depending on your choice. Once you're done, you can click register and there's a confirmation dialog. Click yes and it's registered. So let's go to the create meeting. So in a create meeting, you can see all the things that you need to have a detailed meeting. You can enter your topic title. You can enter the start of the meeting. You can enter the duration of how many minutes you want to put, and you can check this box if it's recurring. You can also assign volunteers who can register your attendance, and you can also put the details. You can put the description here. Furthermore down, you can see you can link to different web conference platforms. And once you're done, you can click save and the changes were saved. Let's go back. You can also create a QR code. So when you create a QR code, you can put the name of the QR code, the title of it. You can put the which approach you want to choose. It's either if you want to choose peer-to-peer approach or batch approach, it's your choice. You can also schedule and the attendance. You can schedule on when the QR code will be open and when it will be available. You can also select which type. So you can use the countdown, you can use countdown to time, and you can use elapsed time. And then the time you can set it to either 24 hours or AM or PM. You can also apply this QR code to certain meetings or instances. Then once you're done, you can also click save and the changes are saved. So now let's go to the home. As you can see this specific area where it says meeting 1 mental health seminar. If you want to view more, you can click view more and it will say everything about the meeting. You can see all of this, same as the create new meeting page. Then if you have any of the changes, if you change anything here, you can click save and the changes are saved. Same goes with the meetings. When you click, you can open it and it will redirect you to the page where you can see in the view more at the home. Now for the results, you can see the scan. So when you click view more, you can see all the names that are registered here, and you can also edit the result. Then here at the profile, you can see that there's a logout button. When you log out, it will ask you for a confirmation. Then when you click yes, it will go to your authorization screen. So that is it for my experience design. Thank you for watching.